We are going to look at when is whistleblowing ethical and when is whistleblowing unethical. Because sometimes it's not called for, it's not necessary. Yeah, but sometimes it's called for. So we are going to look at that in this video. So we shall start with the ethical part. When is whistleblowing ethical? Whistleblowing is appropriate or ethical under 5 conditions. And the first condition is when the company, through a product or decision, will cause serious and considerable harm to the public or break existing laws, the employee should report the organization. If you're very sure that the organization is planning to harm the public or it's planning to do something that is against the law, there you can report the organization to the authorities. The second condition is when the employee identifies a serious threat of harm, he or she should report it and state his or her moral concern. Yeah, if you see something wrong or something that is going to cause harm, you report it and then you also state why you're concerned. Yeah. Then another condition is that when the employee's immediate supervisor does not give the employee attention, in case you report to your immediate supervisor and they are not on your case, then you can go straight to the board of directors, or if it also fails, there you go outside the organization, but you do not just rush. Another condition that makes whistleblowing ethical, it is when the employee has documented evidence that is convincing that his or her view of the situation is accurate, and evidence that shows that the firm's product, the practice, or the policy seriously threatens and puts the public in danger. So you must have evidence that shows that the organization is planning something that is going to harm the public. Yeah, you do not just come and talk without evidence. The last condition is that the employee must have valid reasons to believe that revealing the wrongdoing to the public will result into the necessary solution to the situation. So the employee must see the chances of succeeding. Yeah, the chances of succeeding should be equal to the risk taken. Let's look at when is whistleblowing unethical or uncalled for. First is that if there is evidence that the employee is motivated by the opportunity for financial gain or media attention, because someone can come out to speak when they just want attention from the media, or they just want importance, or they want to get money out of it. Then when there is evidence that the employee is carrying out revenge against the company, the legitimacy of carrying out the act must be questioned, whereby someone was just fired from the organization and they come out to talk just as a way of revenging. Yeah. So those two conditions make whistleblowing unethical. If there is evidence that someone just wants attention or financial gain, then whereby someone just wants revenge. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends. This has been the end of topic 6, business ethics, and it's the last topic. Yeah. This has been the end of business ethics. Let's catch up in the next videos. I guess we shall be talking about question approach.